Elroy's book has 407 pages. He is on page 186. He reads another 59 pages. How many pages are left? So we need to know the number of pages in the whole book, the page he is on at first, the pages he reads, and then we need to work out the number of pages he has left. If we add the page he is on and the pages he reads, that will give us the total number of pages of the book that he has read already. So there are 407 pages in the book. He was on page 186. Then he read another 59 pages, and we need to know how many pages are left. If we add 186 and 59, that gives us 245, the number of pages that he's read already. And now, if we do 407 minus 245, so if we take the number of pages he's read from the total number of pages in the book, that will give us the number of pages he has left, which is 162.